All right, hey, Paul with BuyTruckWheels.com. Going to do another little behind the scenes video here. Probably looking at this cap thinking, what in the heck is that? So this, we've been developing, we've got a billet aluminum cap for our 22s, 24s. We're looking into doing the 26s and some bigger sizes, but and the billet caps are super nice, but they are a little more expensive. So we've started the process here a couple months of developing a chrome plastic cap that will work as well. So kind of be pretty unique design, and it's going to be tapped into the wheel. So this is actually a 3D printed version of it. It's about, to develop molds for both of these caps is about $15,000. So we want to make sure they are correct before we do that, make the molds, and then they're not right. So we've got 3D printed version here, and we're just kind of testing how it's lining up, making sure everything works right. So we've got our one screw here, pretty precise. All of our other screw holes match up perfect. As you can see kind of over here on this rear cap, there's actually 3 different pieces. So you got your main cap here, and then you're going to have an outer ring, and then the 4-pointed star. And the reason we did that is we want to be able to have this cap in all chrome, or with black wheels, we want to do the whole hub cover in black, and then have the ring and the star will be in chrome. So it'll give that nice offset, little pop. So you went with the black wheels with a chrome, maybe milling, and then you get a little chrome on your black cap. So that's why it is in multiple pieces. I'm pretty rough on stuff, so I've already destroyed these. The filament that you use for the 3D printing, not super durable, so putting these on and off kind of destroyed them. But the real ones will be a lot tougher. So just kind of wanted to show you what that's going to look like. You're going to be able to use pretty much any normal 33 millimeter nut cover. If you want to go with the regular, you want to go spikes, there's some bullet style. I mean, there's tons of different styles. You'll be able to use those with either screw on or push on type system. And again, when we're doing our black wheels, if you want to go black nut covers, great. You can do a chrome nut cover if you want even a little more contrast. So we're really leaving that up. This system's going to be able to make it a lot more kind of customizable to what you're looking for. So right now, the wheels, the 22s and 24s that we're been selling here for a while with adapters have had the tap holes for those billet caps. These plastic caps, looks like we're going to be given the okay to go to full production, with the to make the molds and go into full production. So probably going to be in sometime next year, probably end of first quarter, around that March, April time frame is probably when we're looking to start getting these in stock.
Of 2026.
Of 2026, so perfect time. Guys getting the trucks, weather starting to turn, really doing some upgrades. So good time for these to come in. For those of you looking to buy some 22s, 24s for your dually, and you say, man, I kind of don't like the generic kind of plain caps that come with them. I really like these. We'll go ahead and make you a deal, $100, and we'll get you this cap kit when they come back in stock. So if you want to go ahead and buy the wheels now, get the regular caps, put them on, run them through the winter, and then when these come in, just an extra $100, we'll get them to you. So today's late October 2025. Or even if you've bought a set here in the past couple months, get a hold of us. If you'd like to switch to these, we'll make you a good deal on those caps. So again, just a little behind the scenes on showing how we...
Here, I'll show the back side of the wheel since it's polished on both sides.
Yep, how we develop these caps, kind of a lot of the thinking that goes into it. Sometimes people think you can just come up with an idea and pretty quickly put it into use. Doesn't really work like that. It takes a lot of time and money to make that happen, but we really think this system is going to be good for us. Also for 22 fives, 24 fives, a lot of the commercial wheels will be able to utilize the same cap system as well. So we're really excited about it. Think it's going to be a big upgrade and give you something a little unique to make those wheels pop. So if you have any questions on the new system or any of the wheels you may have bought in the past, if you want to check with us to make sure they'll work, if you look and make sure if your wheels have these tap holes, then they will work. So we've been selling them that way for probably almost 2 years now. So anybody here in the recent past that's bought these new caps will work with them. So any questions, give us a holler.